looks like love. It feels like love. And I confess it's got me rocking on my heels like love. How else can I account for that unexpected?
Che succede, figliuola?
Mi spiace, io non ce la faccio a cantare oggi. Posso venire a provare un altro giorno, maestro?
Ma non è difficile. Cantate come vi sentite. Riprendiamo.
It looks like love. It feels like.
And I confess it's got me rocking on my heels like love. How else can I account for that unexpected glow that turns the night to day each time we say hello?
It looks like love.
It looks like love.
It could be love.
Yes, it could be love. But if it's not, it's so darn wonderful it should be love. There's a lot more I could tell you, but you take my breath away. Guess it looks like love has come to stay.
Ah, credevo che cantaste da sola.
No, in due si canta meglio.